Welcome inside the apartment, second floor, overlooking Kew Bridge and the River Thames. Today we're going to share 5 things that we absolutely love about this apartment. Let's go. The first thing I love about this apartment is its position. So quiet here at the back of the block. This is south facing, overlooking Kew Bridge at the River Thames. Just imagine enjoying your coffee here every single morning. So the second thing that makes this apartment special is the length of lease, over 900 years. So there's no lease extensions around the corner. Before we get into the next key feature, have a look around the apartment and I'll meet you on Kew Bridge. Number 3 is its location. Here I am on the iconic Kew Bridge. We've got Kew Gardens just opposite, the apartment block behind us. You've got Gunnersbury Tube Station, which is a real hit, and also Heathrow is not far away too. And number 4 is the 24-hour concierge. You've got your security, look after your packages, you've got the gym, and also your underground allocated parking spot. And number 5 is the property comes with a buyer's pack. That means all of the searches ordered up front, full transparency for you, and just makes the conveyancing that little bit smoother. So if you like what you see and you think this is the one for you, do get in touch with the team quickly at the office, and we can't wait to meet you here at Kew Bridge Apartments. Take care.